Hey guys, it's Wolf Lopez here, back with another video. Welcome. It's so nice to have you here. Okay, so in this video we are going to check out Bitcoin price prediction for 2021. But this time we are also going to use machine learning to see what kind of it predicts. So it uses the last or already printed chart data points to try to guess what's going to happen in future. Of course, it's not going to be 100% accurate all the time, of course. But however, the one thing that currently on the speculative bull market is very good how the valued coins is how good their fundamentals are, how good the technology, how good the code is. If you look at the new products, the white papers are sometimes there's not even white papers, but um so you have to look at the code, and if you don't know anything about code, then this software is very good because it will show you. Let me show you in a second, but let's start with the Bitcoin here. I'm going to create videos on all of these cryptocurrencies price predictions, so be sure to subscribe to my channel, and also comment down what coin you want me to cover in the next video. Okay, so that being said, let's start. So Bitcoin price prediction. Currently Bitcoin sits at $50,000 per one Bitcoin. Now that is not so out of there. So that is not so crazy, because if you think about it, supply and demand. So as the supply decreases and demand it increases, that's basically supply and demand. The price will increase, and Bitcoin can't be in printed. There's no inflation, so it's very scarce asset. Basically, it's very scarce. But that being said, I don't also believe that it could go up forever without correction, but it could go to do like $200,000 or $100,000 easily. Okay, I think that that's what we are looking here. But I'm just very interested to see. Sorry, excuse me. It came out of nowhere. I'm very interested to see what this machine learning will show us. Okay, so let's dive right in, guys. So let's dive in. Okay, so by the way, if you want to, you can start using this app yourself. You can find it in the description of this video. You can get 10% off. And this is where I have like now when I'm doing when I'm digging the different cryptocurrencies, I always use this tool because you can see everything here. So let's start with the Bitcoin here. But for example, see here, you can see what the machine has thought that the price is going to be. Look, it's very accurate. Of course, there's a little if there's like hype coming up, it can like see that coming, but it's very accurate. It's very accurate. Look at here. So now we have started to rise again, and using the last old patterns, it says that it should go like sideways, but very interested to see what's going to happen here. So here, when you go here, you can see short-term trader grade. So yeah, it has a trader and investor, and it uses different data points. Okay, but I will get more into that. So Bitcoin project. Bitcoin is a consensus network that enables a new payment system and a completely digital currency. Powered by its users, it's peer-to-peer payment network that requires no central authority to operate. Okay, it was in 2008. So Satoshi Nakamoto, and then there's fundamentals. Listen here. Bitcoin is by far the best cryptocurrency asset fundamentally. It fares well on almost all parameters under consideration. The most seasoned developers work on the Bitcoin protocol. Even the number of developers working on Bitcoin is second only to Ethereum among open source projects. Bitcoin is among the very few crypto assets which are already being used. It is liquid and is available on a wide range of exchanges. It also serves as the underlying asset for a wide range of financial derivative products. It leads the competition by a humongous margin. The network effects of the Bitcoin network are difficult to overcome for other projects. It is by far most expensive on launch and attack against Bitcoin network. In all, fundamentally, Bitcoin is the best right now. Okay, so that's what it's saying. Like, it's, if you look at it anyway, Bitcoin is very, very, very bullish. Okay, and if Bitcoin is bullish, the whole crypto market is very bullish, in my opinion. So Bitcoin is the world's first peer-to-peer electronic cash system, most secure and truly decentralized blockchain. Bitcoin blockchain nodes use proof of work, which is not the best. It's slow and consumes a lot of energy, but The upside is also very huge. So here's like a whole summary trader and investor, and let me show you what this means. So it's a overall grade is combination of these factors. Okay, so let's start with markets. Basically here it just only shows you the markets, but anyway, that's that. So price predictions is very good. I accidentally clicked that. Okay, so anyway, so price prediction, here you can see price predictions, February, boom, 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 accuracy 84%. Okay, so this is what look here. So here's basically what it's seeing, and here's where it started. Like it predicted $38,000, but it's already $50,000. Like you can see it predicted using past patterns that it should go down. Okay, basically that's what it predicted, but like you can see, it's not going down. Is this because the bull run is still continuing, or is this, you know, like just like a last squeeze, you know what I'm saying, before it start dropping again? Who knows? Who knows? Because this implements that Bitcoin should you just, you know, go sideways for a whole March. Okay, very interested to see what's going to happen. Are we, because if you look at Bitcoin in like every year in March has always been like the red day or red month. Okay, so that being said, I'm very interested to see how this plays out, because now we're seeing Bitcoin increasing in price, but this indicates that it should, you know, stay still. Okay, so next parameter, by the way, you can look here also 6 months, and for example, let's put year here. Look at here how accurate this has been. Now it's getting really there should be, it should go to like $45,000. That's what it's indicating. Let's see if we drop there, or do we just like, or keep this level. But look how accurate in like it has been. Okay, and let's see here, fundamentals. This is very important. So fundamentals, if I see this score over 80, it's very good. So Bitcoin gets 83, which is very awesome, which means that basically the code, like the whole system, it just works. Okay, so that's the fundamentals there, and what is fundamentally solving the problem and all that. But then there's the technology score. Okay, there's one of, but there's it's very like you can see here, good, how has similar project like over this project, yes. It's technology summary, and here's more, and it's just, you know, automatically calculates it. With Bitcoin, the technology, of course, proof of work, not the best technology moves so fast, but it still works. It's still very strong. So here's technical analysis. So it's indicating that, for example, this is on trader now. Now it's an investor. It's still saying that it's very bearish. So looking at the alt points here, it's saying that it's still very bearish. Very interested to see if this just holds, like if you know, if it breaks now down, because it's indicating that it's very bearish. Okay, let's see. This machine now indicates basically that it's going to be get a little bit bearish here. But what do you guys think? Are we going to go up? Like if you look at this chart, like what if we are here currently? Okay, here it could pump up, but then it starts dying down, or then we could just, you know, take a new path here and just, you know, skyrocket the moon. Okay, that could also happen. That could also happen very easily. So it's still very speculative, but basically what we learned in this machine is that, look here, when I put the investor here, fundamentals 93%, it's very safe stuff. Okay, of course it can, the price will, and the project technology on investor, like on very long term, look at here, almost 100%. Okay, so it's very good in very long term, but currently, like the current situation, that what says that there has like it's like suggesting that it's very bearish outcomes there. But anyway, that was the whole price prediction. So I would say that in like 2021, my price prediction is $100,000 or $2,000 dollars. Okay, so and what I want to say. So yeah, So I started a new cryptocurrency portfolio for White Rock Crypto, and yeah, I would love to invite you to the group. It's like a paid membership, seven bucks. You know what I'm saying? And I will just basically reveal the whole portfolio there. If you're interested to know what I hold, you can check that out. Okay, I try to pick some really good games here. I really put a lot of work into that, and yeah, it's very interesting to see. These are all the positions that I'm in are mostly long-term positions. Okay, but anyway, it's not a financial advice. It's not it's just it's my opinion, and yeah, if you want to check it out, you can find it in the description. But anyway, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next videos, and also remember to subscribe to the channel. Okay.